Learning modalities in the new normal. Modular approach, online-based activities, blended learning, voice call instruction, and video lectures. In modular approach, the teacher should know the learning objectives before preparing the necessary learning materials. Don't give the materials to the learners if it is not aligned to your learning objectives. Next is online-based activities. In online-based activities, you can get materials from the internet, or you can use existing educational websites that learners can access. Teachers can monitor the progress of the learners. You can also create your own classroom using Edmodo, Google Classroom, or Moodle, but you can have to prepare all the learning materials and upload it in the aforementioned platform. Next is blended learning. In blended learning, combination of online and face-to-face learning. Feel free to use both depending on the context. And the next is voice call instruction. In voice call instruction, just give your contact number to the learners and monitor their performance through voice calls. Then the last one is video lectures. In video lectures, you can record your lecture and upload this in your own visual classroom. You can also do it live through social media and other platforms.